Stocks are crashing. Looks like the phenomenal time to be buying. I will be buying a lot tomorrow, so we're going to go over that. We're going to go over a lot of AI sectors, AMD, SMCI. We also got Tesla crashing down to the floor. A beautiful sight to see. This is when it gets juicy, okay? If you love stocks in the stock market, when stocks are falling and crashing down, this is the time to get excited, not the time to get scared, right? You make your money on the buy. So we're going to go over this as well. Tesla, all the AI stocks, Apple. We're also going to go over Google. I'm looking to buy some stocks tomorrow. We're going to go over that. We'll also update some levels on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming back down. That's beautiful. I'll actually let you guys know when I'm looking to get some Bitcoin. Also XRP, some Ethereum. We have the crypto side. I'll try to keep this video right under 20 minutes, so this will be a quicker video, but I'll go over some of the bigger names. But let's just get started. A1 analyst, smash the like button. So SMCI is about support 35.28, resistance is 40.85. The only way I wanted to buy SMCI was if it broke 40.85. It never broke 45, so I do not buy it. I can't buy something that is not showing signs that it wants to go up, right? So it would have to break that resistance level and then show signs that it wants to go up for me to try to buy it. Because how I'm playing SMCI would only be a swing. I'm not playing SMCI to like all-time highs like I am like Nvidia or so forth. So SMCI would purely be a swing. So it would have to break the key resistance area. It never broke that. So the biggest thing tomorrow is on SMCI is we have support at 35.28. Once that support breaks or hold, that's a major thing to watch out for tomorrow. If we break that support tomorrow, then this level where I wanted to buy is actually going to change. So the biggest thing is, do we break support tomorrow or do we not, right? Because SMCI, I'm trading differently than like an Nvidia or a bigger name, okay? So just watch out for that. If we do break, we'll probably see SMCI in the 34s, 33s. I don't see a buy in that range. The only way I'm actually looking to buy SMCI is if we break a resistance level. So watch these two critical levels. They're going to stay the same, and we'll see how SMCI wants to move tomorrow. But I don't see any buy unless it breaks that resistance level. Now, Nvidia. Nvidia, I'm going to go ahead and buy some more long-term shares of Nvidia tomorrow. Yeah, I know I usually buy on the drop. So last time we had to drop down here, I bought in the 116s. It ran up. That's fine and dandy. And then it's dropping back down. Now we're in the 106s. It is also about a 10% incremental drop from about the 116s where we are now. We're down about 8. Tomorrow we'll probably be down around 9 or so. So every negative 10 drop, I'm usually buying some Nvidia shares for long term. So I'm not selling any of these shares until we go back above the 150s and the long run to the higher pricing. So that's what I'm looking out for Nvidia. That's one play I'm looking out for is long-term shares, not selling it to all-time highs. Next, the next thing I'm looking out for is pretty much swing puts. So I'm looking to use some swing puts tomorrow on Nvidia to go down below $100. Y'all know I've been saying I want Nvidia below $100 for a while, and we are going down there as beautiful as it is. So the cheaper Nvidia gets, the better it gets on sale. Just think like that. So with that being said, at that support level 105, I am looking for a straight puts. I think if it is going to be going down below $100. So I'm looking to buy around the 106s. And then my next buy will probably be around the 95-ish range. I'll just be buying like every negative 10% drop, building that long position, having a strong long position in Nvidia. So your current support levels are 105.70. Watch out for that tomorrow because if that breaks, I'm pretty much going to get like swing puts to go down below 100. And then also watch the 112 of a shorter term resistance level. So I'm looking for puts. I'm looking for long-term shares on Nvidia. What a beautiful sight. AMD. AMD, I'm going to buy Nvidia tomorrow instead of AMD. But if AMD reaches to the low 92s, 91s, then I'll probably buy a little bit more AMD as well. So basically, I'm looking to buy some more AMD either around like 92, below 90 is that next buying area that I want for like AMD longer term shares. We do have support around 94.80, so watch out for that tomorrow. But I'll probably get puts tomorrow on AMD to trend down and probably go down below like 93, 92. I'm bearish on it. And I'm looking for just straight puts. I'm also might even get like swing puts on AMD. We do have a resistance level around like 102, 105, so you can watch that. I will also be playing a reversal on AMD. So I'm looking for puts, swing puts, scalping puts. I'm also looking for bigger shares around the 90 mark. But if we break a critical resistance area like we have right now, then I'm also going to play the reversal on AMD shorter term to reach up into like the 110s, but that depends on when we reverse, and that also depends on when we break resistance levels. We haven't broken any of that yet. So for now, I'm pretty just trading all downside. I'm bearish from the market. The market is dropping as expected, so this doesn't come as a surprise. We're bearish, right? We want stocks to drop. That is when you get cheaper on stock pricing, right? So if you understand the market, you know the market moves in cycles. It goes up, it goes down. You buy on the down, you hold on the way up, and you make profit. So don't be scared of the downward movement on the market. That is how it goes. So that's what I'm looking at for AMD. AVGO, support levels around 108.30, resistance level 191.60. I'm not really looking to do much with AVGO. I'm more focused on AMD. I'm more focused on Nvidia. They have clearer plays to me, longer term type of buys. AVGO hasn't gone down enough for me to want to buy AVGO long term, not just yet. So it would need some more pull down, but these are your current levels on AVGO to kind of watch out for. Also, like Dell, Dell is getting close to maybe a nice buy, but I want Dell to go below $80, which I think it can go. I am bearish on it. We do have support around 89.20. So Discord team, remind me, I'll be looking for some swing puts on Dell to trend down below 80. And then once we get below 80, maybe I'll be buying some more long-term shares in the 80. I own 0 of Dell. I'm kind of just waiting for it to continue dropping because I am bearish. I'm expecting downside on pretty much everything. So I'm looking for that drop below 80. That's why I'm on long-term shares. And until then, I'm looking to get swing puts down for it to go to 80. So I'm pretty much just straight puts. So we have support around 89.20. Watch out for that tomorrow. We also have resistance around 95.90. Watch out for that because there will also be, yes, there's downside plays, but there will also be a reversal play once a critical resistance level breaks. Like nice reversal play here, nice reversal plays here, nice reversal play here. So Dell can have that reversal. So I'll be watching out for that as well. Just a couple ways I'm looking out for the Dell movements. Oracle came out with earnings. They pretty much missed on everything. I do have puts on Oracle, so I'm looking for Oracle to open lower tomorrow, hopefully, and for Oracle to go down, hopefully, as well. Because if you like Oracle, the more it goes down, the more you can buy at cheaper pricing, right? So for Oracle, we'll see. They very stalled out a little bit, has some fake up movements. I am expecting them to go down. If they go up, they go up. But hopefully they go down so I can profit off those. And then that profit, I'll just buy some long-term shares of Oracle. So Oracle, I have a bigger update for y'all tomorrow, depending on how we move after this earnings movement. But I was hoping Oracle can reach down to like the 130. So we'll kind of see for that on the Oracle front. TM has support around 45.20, resistance 50.65. Watch out for that support level. It seems like it wants to break below it. I would say same levels. Watch how it moves tomorrow. I really don't see much on Tim's. It really doesn't have my focus. I'm more focused on like AVGO. I'm more focused on like AMD and Nvidia and so forth. At least for now, Tim's, I don't see much, and I only see downside for it. So just kind of watch out for that in the range of Tim. But let's head and go over to the next one. So we're going over video, went over the big ones. Okay, let's go over Apple. Apple had a big move down. It did break up here at 234. You know I am looking for Apple to get down here in the 215s-ish type of range. So I would say Apple has some support levels around like 223.75. 223.75. I'm pretty much looking for just straight puts on Apple to go down. I'll probably get Apple put swings to just go straight down. I'm looking for it to get into 215s. I don't own any Apple long term, but I'm thinking if Apple pulls down enough, I might start one. So for now, bearish on it, looking for more downside. Apple's a little nasty too. It really has been stalled in this price range with little pumps up and down, but overall just kind of stalled in this like 230-ish range. So you really want Apple to get vertical on the downside. That is when it's going to get really juicy. But for now, looking for just straight downside, straight puts, and pretty much all downside. Let's go over Tesla. Tesla's dropping like hotcakes. Remember, I wanted to buy Tesla below 300, but guess what? I am bearish on the stock. So I believe it's going to go down lower. So I'm in no rush to buy. But now Tesla is at the 222s down to 220. It's about to get below my 220 levels. So pretty much I'm looking, y'all know me, straight puts, straight downside. I'm looking for Tesla to get below the 220s. It's almost there. So I'll leave that target for now. And once we get below it, my next target is going to be like 200. So if Tesla gets back in the 190s, my average right now, Tesla is right around 187. So we did take a lot of profit off of our Tesla long-term shares up in these high ranges right here. Now we're kind of looking to start buying again. So I sold about 70% of my long-term shares. We're up about the 130s in these high ranges. Now I'm looking to put that back on as we're getting down to the average, which is right around like 187, 190 in that range. So we're still up about 17%, but I only have like 25% left of that position. And now I'm about to buy some more. So tomorrow, I'm finally going to start buying some Tesla long term. Yes, yes, yes. I've been waiting for this and I like it. But be mindful, Tesla could still drop all the way down to the 150s, the 120s. Nothing says it's going to stop in this range. But y'all know Tesla, it can move very fast to the downside, but it can also move very fast to the upside. If you believe in Tesla, I believe Tesla will be over 500 in the future. It already had that beautiful run. We took profits. Now we're looking for that next run, but it has to go down for that run to actually occur, right? Prices have to go down for you to have that run. So Tesla, gonna buy some long-term shares, bearish on it, looking for straight puts, looking for it to go down below 220 tomorrow, looking for it to go down even below 200. And I love Tesla long-term. I'll buy more shares. Fairly simple on the Tesla front for now. And then if we also go over Google, y'all know I want to start a Google position. I was going to start it today. We had that decent drop, so I was patient on it. I'll probably start it tomorrow. So I do want to update some levels I'm kind of watching out for on the Google front. I even want some swing puts on Google. I don't know where I want to get them, but I do believe Google will be dropping more down a little bit lower. But I don't mind having a strong foundation of Google and starting Google around the 160s. That's not that bad. The all-time highs are like 200. Do we think Google's going to really drop 80%? Probably not. But if it drops like 30, 40% from the highs, last time this biggest drop was about 45%. So for right now, from the highs, I think we're like around 18% or so. Yeah, we're like 19% down. So technically, from the last drop, it could still drop another 20-ish percent, 25%, and that would take us to around 126. That's what I'm looking at for Google. I'll probably start a longer term position. I own zero Google, but I do want to start some. And then I'm pretty much just looking for straight puts. I really wanted to start it below 150, but that's only like a negative 9% drop. So I can start here, and if it drops, I'll just buy more on the way down of Google, right? Strong company is not going nowhere. Y'all know they own YouTube, and we're literally on YouTube right now. So why not own it? So that's what I'm looking out for on the Google front. If you look at Meta, Meta's dropping as well. If y'all wanted some updated levels, I really don't see much on Meta. Around like 588.30, I would say I'm pretty much just looking for more downside. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy Meta for long term here. Google's a little more interesting to me. I'm gonna leave that resistance level up there, but maybe if Meta gets in the low fives, 520s, 530s, and the fours, I think Meta might be a decent buy in that range for its price. And then Palantir still dropping, broke supports. The only way I wanted to play Palantir was if it broke 89.20. It never broke that. It is just going straight down, aka I am expecting Palantir to go below 60. So below 60, I believe Palantir will be a buy in my eyes, right? So I am bearish on it. I'm looking for just more downside. We do have a current support around 73.15, so watch out for this, 73.15. That'll be your new support level on Palantir, and then your new resistance level will be around 82.50. Okay, 82.50. 15.99, 19.99 is so low to get it. So yeah, but Palantir, bearish on it. I don't want to buy here. I think it's going to go below 60, so I'll wait. I think in the 50s will be a decent buy with Palantir. But other than that, pretty much just looking for straight downside on the Palantir front. I don't see a buy on it just yet. SoFi crashing down. I think SoFi has actually already hit the support today, but right around like 11.11, I would say is a new support on the SoFi front, so I would say watch out for that. You got your new resistance on SoFi around like 12.45, so let's put that on our charts as well. I don't see a buy or anything on SoFi, pretty much just straight puts. I believe SoFi is going down to 11 range. Now I believe SoFi is going down to the $9 range. I think it has some more downside to go, and it seems like it kind of just started, so be careful of that. Now, that SoFi DJT pretty much in the gutter is dropping, so nothing to go over on the DJT front. Also, let me go over the SP 500. I do want to go over this some more. We did break supports. We are going down. Support levels. Support for SPY is not that clear, but I guess I'll put one around 557.10. We'll put that on our charts, 557.10. And then we'll bring down the resistance area at about 573.55, 573.55. So those are your new levels I'll be looking out for on the SP 500, at least for now. Still bearish on, like I told you, I was looking for that downside. That's exactly what we got. Looking for the SP 500 to get down to like the 550-ish range, and we're almost there. So still bearish on it. Still looking for downside. Once I turn bullish, I will let you know. That might not be no time soon. So yeah, those are your levels on the SP 500. Let me know if you want levels on like IWM, TQQ, and so forth on those. There'll probably be some stocks I miss. I want to keep this video a little bit shorter, but also some more stocks. So Nvidia, I'm looking about tomorrow. For shares, y'all know I'm looking out for AMD, put options, some more shares pretty soon. I'm looking for Google long-term shares as well. I'll be looking to buy some more Nike long-term shares. I'll be doing that. They're about to have their earnings coming up pretty soon on March 20th, so be mindful of that. But Nike, I want some more shares of before the earnings. Disney's about to get below 100. That's a beautiful sight to see. I want more shares of this. So hopefully we get below 100 tomorrow. I'll buy more Disney. UPS is something I'm looking out for. I do like this long term. I'm looking to buy some more of this as well. Probably tomorrow I'll be looking to average in some more long-term shares and also some more stocks I'm looking to buy tomorrow. As the title said, buying tomorrow. I am looking to buy some more, a lot. In our long terms, I'm looking to get some swing puts tomorrow. I'm also looking to scalp puts tomorrow, and I'm looking to start some new positions tomorrow, like Google and like some other ones. Netflix is dropping 851.60. Watch out for that support. I am expecting Netflix to get down to the 7s, below 8 for sure. So kind of watch out for that on that Netflix front. Let's go over gold. Let's check how gold is moving. Gold here resistance kind of fell down. I would say watch that 1855 area resistance on Barack Gold. If it doesn't break that, it's not showing signs that it wants to go up. And also GLD, if it doesn't break 271.80, then I can't get calls on it, and it seems like it might want to go down as well. So I would give it a little bit more time, but watch Barack Gold. Sometimes it can show us those early signs. But gold is very high, like it is crazy high. Oil OXY, watch 48.65 for a resistance. We probably have a support, I would say, at around 45.75. Watch that. If that breaks, oil will probably trend down lower. Also, you could look at like Chevron and see how they're all hitting their resistance levels, like OXM and so forth. They're not really pushing. They're all hitting their support levels pretty much perfect. So I would say kind of watch out for that in the oil sector. On Bitcoin, we are breaking supports. You know, we are breaking back down below 80,000. So that means Coinbase should be going down. MSTR is going down. All your altcoins will be going down. Ethereum will be going down. You really only have to watch Bitcoin. It just makes the crypto market that much easier. So your new support is around 78,555. 78,555 on Bitcoin. I will watch out for that. Your new support. I think Bitcoin is going. I want Bitcoin now. My new target on Bitcoin is like below 74,000. So I would like it to go below that. I think a buy on Bitcoin might be coming soon, but we just have to see when that strong support kind of holds. So looking for just more downside. I'm going to leave that resistance low there for now as well, around 89,000. But yeah, I think my next buy, I really want to buy Bitcoin. If I'm being honest, I would really like to buy Bitcoin in like the 40s down here. Who knows if it can go down there, or hopefully it does, because we could just buy it cheaper, but we'll just kind of have to go day by day and kind of watch it. Even 60s for Bitcoin, if you believe it's going to go to the 150s, is still low, right? Especially if there's a finite amount. I think it'll have a next boom eventually, sooner or later. So average on the way down is what I'm going to start doing with Bitcoin. Ethereum's actually below 2,000 as well. Y'all know that's what I've been waiting out for, to start buying Ethereum again. I think we might even see Ethereum down here around the 16s. I think that might be my next buy on Ethereum. And then XRP USD, this is why I said all you have to really do is watch Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's not going up. These won't go up either. They had the little fake pushes. That's cool and dandy. I didn't buy any of that. That didn't really interest me. I also gave y'all a resistance level. Like if it broke like 260, that might be a buy. It never broke it. All it did was come down. So I'm looking for XRP to get down to like the 170s, 180s. We're almost there. I think that might be a buy on XRP. I do want to start building a longer term position on XRP, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. So we're down about 38% from the all-time highs. I want to get close down to 50% from the all-time highs, which might be a little bit better. So I'm waiting for that. I think support's going to break at the 206 range. It's kind of been stalled there for a while. A1 levels always. That's why you never miss a video. And also the crypto side on the analyst company will be coming soon. But for now, it'll just be stocks, right? So that's kind of like the crypto market. MSTR, of course, crashing. We have support around 224.50. I think that's going to break. I think you'll see MSTR probably below 200 in this range. I really don't see upside for it right now. Do I believe MSTR could push up? Of course, because Bitcoin. If I believe Bitcoin could push, MSTR is going to move right with it, right? So I would say current resistance level shorter term is about 251.60. Your support 224.50. Looking for more downside. I haven't bought this one yet. Kind of being patient on it. Also, Coinbase down to up to 170s. What a beautiful sight to see. Last time I bought Coinbase was in the 160s. When I told y'all Coinbase can get very vertical, and we got that right. We took a lot of profits off Coinbase in this range. Remember, you are here to be profitable. So if I bought Coinbase in the 160s and now it's up in 320s and I'm up 93%, that's the whole reason we bought it in the first place, is to be profitable. So why are you not taking profit? That's more retail thinking. We take profits when we're up, and then whenever it goes back down, we just buy again and we do the cycle all over again, right? So just make sure you kind of understand what the market is and why you're in the market in the first place is hopefully to be profitable. So yeah, so looking to buy some more Coinbase. It is breaking support. So I want to see when we hold a support. I think that is when I'm looking to buy, because remember, we were dropping, but I didn't start buying until out here when I feel like we held a support. That's when I start buying, and then we went up. So we don't need to catch a fall at night. This is a good sign that it's going down. I would say new support is around 171, but there's no rush if I'm bearish, right? We literally just started going down the S&P 500, and it doesn't seem like it's going to stop anytime soon. So I think on the next Bitcoin crypto rally, you'll see Coinbase above 360, and now it's in the 170. So it might be a buy on this one pretty soon. But yeah, looking to buy a lot of long term. Some stocks I didn't put in here. You'll see it tomorrow. Some put swings, pretty much bearish on a lot. I know I missed some stocks, but we'll go ahead and end it right there.